Concentrate on what will produce results rather than on the results. The process rather than the prize, said William Ernest Walsh, born 30th November 1931 in Los Angeles in the United States of America. Died on 30th July 2007 in California. Was an American professional college football coach. He served as head coach of the San Francisco 49ers and the Stanford Cardinals, during which time he popularized the West Coast offense. After retiring from the 49ers, Walsh worked as a sports broadcaster for several years and returned as head coach at Stanford for 3 seasons. William Ernest Walsh said, concentrate on what will produce results. That's what the whole of India's philosophy, which has been exported or taken around the world, kept on telling. The day people forgot this India's technology of karma yoga, they always find problems and they need another equipment to solve the problem. That is called the side effects of the allopathy medicines. Concentrate on what will produce results rather than on the results. How you can get involved than trying to find out how you can get a release. When you concentrate on the release, you never enjoy the love making. Concentrate on what will produce the results rather than on the results. Karma Yoga kept on telling, keep doing work without expecting results. And the only one thing which went wrong with India is they kept on doing without expecting results. But when the results come, it is your duty to calculate. Like the pranayama, inhale 1, retention 4, exhale 2. That is very, very important. You got to calculate how much you got on your passionate love of doing a work. And if you got 4, immediately you have to make sure you have to donate 2. You forgot even to collect that 4. And you held on to the 1, 4 and 2. The next stage is 2, 8, 4. Like that, it keeps on going up. Then that going up has not happened. The ones which has got the power to roar like a 1,000-man warrior forgot to roar. And that got suppressed. 5 fingers, 5 different varieties. Nature has given, God has given. So whoever gets the best, more, it is your duty to share, not for you to keep it. And if you keep it, it's constipation. Concentrate on what will produce results, students, rather than on the results. What will produce results? How much you have understood on that particular chapter? How much you have understood on that particular job? Rather than waiting to find out whether I get this many marks. If you have got deeply involved in that particular subjects, and you can see every one thing what you understood is a result, and at the final examination 100 is 100 and not 99. I couldn't believe when I went to the tutorials and in the mathematics, out of 100 I was given 99, 1 mark less. I couldn't believe why I went wrong in that 1 mark, why the teacher has not given me that 1 mark. I left the tutorials. My uncle and all forced me, please go back to. I said, I can't believe that they gave me 99. 100 is 100, I believed. and I've written it. I'm sure about it. You are very mature because you have a passionate love. And in that passionate love, who can ditch you? Who can knife you? Who can backstab you? Who can cheat you? Nobody can cheat you because the backstabbing, knifing and all is the masala of the Indian curry. All that includes the beauty of your tasting the food at the end of what you like. That particular thing will come into your table. Concentrate on what will produce results rather than on the results. All the schools make the children to concentrate on the results. You must produce results. On what you can produce. The production is very important. The sweat is very, very important. Otherwise, you start copying. In the examination, there are invigilators to stop you from copying, but there is no invigilators in the classroom to stop you from looking through the guides and through the notes. They have not helped you to find out how deep to understand that particular chapter. The businessman was not taught how to produce results rather than on the results. He is always on the profit. And then it is a mushroom. It doesn't stay long. Hurry-burry, gooseberry, those companies doesn't stay for 800 years, 1,000 years, or much before, beyond that. It's not about 800 years, 1,000 years. It is the love which spreads in every part of your body. The orgasmic experience explodes your mind together with you and your wife, with you and the employees, with the guru and the teacher and the student, with you and the nature. That explosiveness is the production of the results, and you don't have to look at the results, it follows. Yes. And it's bag full. You do not know what to do. You have to only share it, call people and share it. Yes. Just a bit of love, and you can see the plants producing so many fruits. Every day go talk to the plants, hug them. Yes. Concentrate on what will produce results rather than on the result. Process rather than the price. The process is very, very important. How best you can make the food and taste it to find out whether you can keep your feet in their shoes. And then the price is not very important. When you see the people who are willing to pay any price, you can put a price to make sure that it stays longer. The process rather than the price. The process is very important. Sitting with your wife and your husband. Yes, the process. And then whatever is coming out from your mouth is gospel of truth. Now you are frightened to throw an order because the order has not been executed. Because you were after for the result. You are throwing an order. You are not loving to express. Do that one. Concentrate on what will produce results rather than on the results on your joint family. The process rather than the price is your family tree. That price you cannot calculate. It is priceless. Recently I was trying to discuss this matter with my students, and I was telling, nowadays children want to get married. They are so much worried about how much it costs. If I get married, how will I balance with my husband and my wife? After the marriage, we have to take a house, how much it's going to cost? And if I get pregnant, what is the cost? Children, school. But in a joint family, nothing. Children are going there. The concentrate on what will produce results, not on the result. They are not worried about the cost coming, the price coming, the process rather than the price. Their joint family, the uncle, the father, the mother, everybody has got the house. You don't worry about the house and the rent and the electricity and the water, telephone charges. The child is taken, the pregnancy, everybody, every auntie, grandmother, everybody is there. You don't feel of your pregnancy. The child comes of its own and the expenses happens of its own. You have to only enjoy the process. And the price is the beauty, the happiness, the feeling, the peace. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Only peace and peace and peace. That is what William Ernest Walsh said. Concentrate on what will produce the results rather than on the results, the process rather than the price.